Alright, this morning we're on a good sheet water spot, one of our favorite things to hunt. It's a mix of mallards, widgeon, kind of everything. Today we're running decently big spread, a lot of socks. I think we're 15 dozen tall socks, right on our layouts, right on the edge of this water. 10 dozen short socks, 20 dozen V2Fs, and 5 dozen mallards. We just kind of started with the short socks, tapered them up a little bit, tapered them down over the blinds, leading the silos into the edge of the water, and then putting the ducks right on the sheet water. And usually they just eat it up, a couple whip splashes out, and it's usually a pretty good time.
This nice south wind this morning too, so we're hoping they'll come from behind us and whip around, give us, you know, one good look right into the spread and get them in the hole, and not much should be leaving after that.
Whoop!
Baby! Yeah! Don't get no better than that.
Kill it! Kill him!
Regular old fucking lady killers today, jeez.
Kill him! Oh my god. Holy shit. Kill him! Kill him! Well, we're slightly banging on them. It hasn't been like super gnarly, but we've been picking on little flocks. I think we're at like around probably like 30 ducks right now or something like that. Mix of everything. Pintails, lots of hen mallards today for some reason. Can't seem to stay away from those ones. A couple good widge flocks. Those are always nice. They did it up pretty nasty, so it's pretty satisfying. Shot a couple stud drake widgeon, and we're still out here picking on them.
Hanging in there. Courtesy of Red Bull. Still waiting on my care package for that one.
Not bad.
Kill him! Oh my gosh, dude. Classic. Gosh, I love widge, dude. That's what I was waiting for. That's right up here.
Need like 4 more to do it like that.
Big ol' hen. Kill him!
Yeah!
Dude, those things were on a mission. Holy shit.
Woo! Damn. Oh, I love that shit. Oh, yeah.
just wrapped up this morning. We came out, hit some sheet water for the first time this year, and finally got on some ducks. Felt great. This morning was a little slow, not bad. We picked on them for a while, mainly mallards, and then as the morning progressed, got some pretty good widge flocks coming in and hammered them. So that felt good. First good widge flocks of the year. Shooting a bunch. We hit the 11-man, got 77 birds. Yeah, all in all, it was great. They did it perfect. Birds were working awesome. Decoys did what they were supposed to do, and yeah, we had a heck of a time.